Alrighty guys, we've got a 2013 Honda Ridgeline with a maintenance service code A12, oil life 15%, and of course the little wrench down over there indicating it's due for servicing. We went ahead and performed the A12 service. Each letter and number represents what services are due. The A is your standard oil change. 1 indicates it's due for tire rotation. 2 indicates it's due for engine air filter, cabin filter, as well as visual inspection of the serpentine belt. So I'm going to walk you through real quickly how to reset this indicator light. On the side of the steering wheel, you'll have some buttons here in relation to how to reset it. Once you're on this screen where it pops up, you're going to want to press and hold the trip reset button. You continue to hold it. Takes about 15-20 seconds. Once it begins to flash, go ahead and let go, and go ahead and push and hold one more time. It'll reset, go to oil life 100%, and you're set to your next oil change. Hopefully that was quick and easy for you guys. If you have any other questions or other cars you'd like me to do, please like, share, and comment below. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.